In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Jobber with ease in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting fresh or simply need a refresher, this walkthrough will guide you through the essentials of setting up your Jobber account, ensuring you maximize the potential of this platform for your business needs. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Jobber website. This is where everything happens, from managing your clients to optimizing your business operations. Once you're there, decide whether you'd like to start a free trial or dive straight into a subscription plan. Either choice allows you to explore the various features Jobber has to offer, but starting with a trial could give you a no-commitment way to familiarize yourself with the system. Next, you'll need to provide your email address and create a password. This step is straightforward but crucial, as this will be your key to accessing the Jobber platform regularly. Ensure that your password is strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to protect your account. Now, you're ready to complete the initial setup. Enter your personal information, including your name and phone number, as well as your company details. This setup is essential as it allows Jobber to tailor the experience to your specific business needs, ensuring that the platform works efficiently for you. With your account ready, head over to the Settings section. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Jobber account. Take your time to explore these settings. Personalizing them will help streamline your use of the platform. Adding your company logo and adjusting the appearance to reflect your brand's identity is a great way to make Jobber truly feel like an extension of your business. Next, consider adding team members to your account. This feature is especially useful for businesses with a crew or partners. You can easily manage permissions and roles, allowing different levels of access based on responsibilities within the team. It's a smart way to ensure everyone has the right tools necessary for their job roles. In addition to setting up team access, you'll want to customize route settings, notifications, and other account-specific preferences. This includes setting up and configuring email templates, text message settings, and automated reminders. These configurations allow for seamless communication and scheduling, providing your clients with timely updates and reminders for appointments or services. Finally, set up work types, determine job durations, and finalize other preferences that align with your business operations and customer service strategies. Jobber's comprehensive system gives you the option to tailor your services and how they're managed, optimizing efficiency and customer satisfaction. And that concludes our brief yet informative walkthrough of Jobber. By following these steps, you've set a strong foundation for utilizing this powerful platform fully. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you embark on your journey with Jobber.